Don't tell anyone, but I heard Don Corneo was missing.
You're kidding me.
Welcome to Wall Market's premier weapon shop. Do come again.
Don't tell anyone, but I heard Don Corneo was missing.
You're kidding me.
This song helps me to unwind after a long day at work. You look a bit tired yourself. Here, listen.
No one's home.
Long time no see. What brings you back here?
Well, we need to find a way to get topside as quickly as possible. And we figured Corneo ought to know one.
Is that so? In that case, I can help.
You serious? Then tell us.
Follow me.
Let's just hear him out.
So, what's the deal with the hole?
Unfinished business. If you three give me a hand with it, I'll give you what you need to get topside.
You want us to go back into the sewers with you? What's down there?
Corneo's hidey hole. That's where I'm headed.
You're not gonna try to screw us over, are you?
If that's what you think, walk away. I'll find somebody else to work with. And you'll have to find another way to get topside.
All right, we're in.
Say what?
He betrays us, he dies.
Fine by me.
He means it.
I'll tell you more after we've climbed down. When you're good to go, let me know. You guys ready? Okay, follow me.
Seriously, what's the deal with the hole?
It's a trap for the Don's enemies.
What?
No one's ever gotten out alive. Well, until recently, that is.
You are gonna hold up your end of the bargain, right?
Long as you hold up yours, yeah.
I don't trust you and I don't like you. So if you so much as breathe in a suspicious way, I'll turn that face of yours into a honeycomb.
I'd save your bullets for the monsters if I were you. Some are a lot tougher than you'd think. Hate to say it, but I can barely take them on my own. You, on the other hand, shouldn't have any trouble. Am I right?
Let's get this over with.
Head for the trunk line. It marks the border with Sector 7. You three lead the way. I'll follow a short distance behind.
I'm ready for you.
All right. This will take longer. I'm ending this.
And there you have it.
No holding back. See ya.
Worked up a good sweat.
Don't hold back.
Guess it's my turn. Get your ass out of here. You ain't getting out of this. Don't say I didn't warn you. You're up.
All set.
Hang back. Let's finish this.
No surprises there.
Don't overdo it.
Need my help, do you?
Come on.
The hell?
I got this. Bingo! There's no escape. Watch yourself.
I got this. Keep it together.
Asshole! Oh, you gon' feel it! Catch you sleeping! Don't say I didn't warn you!
Was never in doubt.
didn't warn you. You got this!
Let me keep it up.
Going in!
Gotcha.
Beat this!
Worked up a good sweat.
Get your ass out of here! Ain't no thing! Oh, you gon'
Back. You're good at this.
Told you so.
The mark of Avalanche. Right. Jesse and Big stashed the skeleton key down here.
I never got the chance to thank them for what they did.
Tifa.
Let's just keep moving, okay?
Hate to interrupt, but the trunk line's just through that door. The one over there?
Yeah, we heard you. Made it. About time.
This way. There should be a door with Corneo's mark around here somewhere.
Hey, wasn't this locked before?
Your time to shine. Clear the path ahead, would you?
Yeah.
Can I ask you something? Why did you help us out before? You could have lost everything.
Andrea, you told me to.
That really it?
And I couldn't bring myself to let it happen again.
Huh?
It doesn't matter. Let's go.
If this is what you want,
Get ready.
all set.
Taking over.
Come on.
Say goodbye. Know your limits.
Wait. We're getting close to Corneo's hideout. From here on, I'll take the lead.
This it?
Yeah,
So how are we supposed to get topside?
through here.
Then you're telling me we're not done?
Sorry, guys, but it's not that simple.
Wait! We gotta catch him!
Huh?
He took the key to the door! Without it, we're screwed!
Let's go.
Fast and went that way.
Don't lose it!
It's over. That's that.
Deal with them!
Yes, it's my turn. Got a whole people mad with your name on it. I'm counting on you.
Let's go! Come on! Gotcha! Give it your all!
Fuck on this.
Leave it to me. Calling fire. Take the lead. Gotta be careful.
Let me handle
All the time.
Guess it's my turn. How'd you like that? Where the hell did that thing run off to?
As if this wasn't enough fun already.
The area up ahead. It's that thing's dead. Keep your eyes peeled. No warnings, right?
Turn up the pressure.
Too bad. Burn. Let's go.
We ain't got time to play hide and seek, you little shit.
I got this.
My turn. That it?
Ain't nothing we can't have.
Gotta work together.
No holding back. Try this.
Guess it's my turn. Back to the list.
All set. Come on. No escape for you. Too late.
Hang back. Burn. You're done.
Yeah. See ya. Bring it.
Just like that, okay?
I gotcha.
Ain't nothing we can't have.
Gotta work together.
Don't overdo it.
Yeah! Joke on it, asshole! Want some more? Suck on me! Check out this shit right here!
Come on.
Keep those gloves up.
Sure thing, Coach.
Got you now. So, gonna make us work for it, are you? I'm not gonna hurt you, little fella. So just stay...
Give it all you got.
It'd be my pleasure.
Get ready.
Too easy.
Gotta stay.
Need my help, do you? So tired.
Getting really sleepy.
My turn. Time to burn. Let's finish this. Won't last long. take it from here.
All right, watch and learn.
Gotta be careful.
Bring in the heat. This is gonna sting.
We make a decent team.
Who would have thought?
Take the right.
I'm on it!
Your days are numbered, rat boy.
He's so slippery.
Just like his owner.
Give it back!
Best do it right. Take the lead.
Want some more? Choke on it, asshole! Give him hell!
Take it over. Sorry. Let's do this. Here we go.
Need my help, do you?
Okay, let's go. I've got you covered. It's on you.
Let's do this. Calling fire. Don't overdo it.
About damn time! Bring it home!
Let me handle it. Bring it! Gotcha! Keep it up! There's no escape! Ha! Come on! There! Damn it!
Fight through it. That's it. After you.
Bring it!
Hope you don't mind!
Give it back!
That's...
Give it back.
That's not a key.
Sorry.
That's not your pendant either. Were they family?
No.
It was all just a dream, wasn't it? But one day, no. Time to wake up and forget.
"6 months ago. On that day, Corneo picked her as a bride, and on the next, she vanished without a trace. But before she did, she gave it back. Salt on the wound. Thing cost me a small fortune.
Why did you want to come down here?
Revenge. I know I need to let go, but I can't. I need closure, because without it, I'll never be able to move on.
It's fine. As long as you get us topside, we're still in.
Thanks. And don't worry, I got you.
You all right?
I know a shortcut. Follow me.
That twisted piece of shit. I'm gonna enjoy beating him to a pulp.
Corneo's mine, and mine alone.
Huh?
Please.
Fine.
Gonna take you all out!
One by one till you're all done.
Brace yourself.
About damn time! You're up!
Okay, let's go. Ha! Bingo! Now that! It's over! This'll help! Yeah! There!
I got you.
Man, I've trained for this.
Time to burn.
Need my help, do you? Can't you slip it?
You're good at this.
Told you so.
Okay then. Y'all think we got everything? Question is, now what? It's not gonna be easy selling this stuff.
Oh, I know. What about Marl? We could ask her to help. I'm sure she'd be happy to.
Wait outside.
Think the kid's gonna be okay going it alone?
It's Leslie! Got some urgent info for the Dawn!
Come alone?
Of course.
Really? Without my little avalanche kittens? I thought I told you to round them up and bring them to me.
Actually, it's them I came to talk about.
Leslie. I don't think I need to remind you why I'm down here. Spilling the beans to those 3 escape artists was a serious mistake. Now I'm on Shinra's shit list. The plate stunt was meant to be an unprecedented tragedy, claiming countless innocent lives. But those naughty little kittens organized an evacuation and screwed up the plan. I'll let you in on a secret. Shinra's going to abandon Midgar and build something close to paradise. I was invited to be a part of it. Dawn of a new and improved wall market. I'll be lucky to live another week. Leslie. I was gonna let you run your own place. Give you a piece of the action. What a shame. Pop quiz time, kiddo! Villains like us only divulge our evil plans in a certain situation. But what is that situation,
When you think you've already won.
Goodbye.
Think again, Don.
Huh? It's you.
You were talking about the Sector 7 plan. Keep talking, asshole.
Ah! Over there! Over there, look!
Don't try to bullshit us.
But that's the thing. It's not technically bullshit when it's true. Good, Abzu! Feel free to play with your food. Gone out.
Bastard!
First him, then Corneo. It's on you.
Let me handle this. Bring it!
Taking over.
Give me your best!
Bird. keep it together.
Bring it home!
We'll get through this. I won't. I'm just gonna feel stronger than this.
I've got you.
Yeah, I'll do it. Got some fight left in you? You're up.
Let me handle it.
Let's do this. Get him. You okay?
Where's Corneo?
Sorry, bastard got away.
It's fine. I'll track him down eventually. Not like I have anything better to do.
You know, I wouldn't be so sure about that. She could still be out there.
Can never be sure how much someone means to you till they're gone. Don't give up on her yet.
Was it a message? What was she trying to tell me?
We'll meet again.
Huh?
It's a symbol of reunion.
Then I guess I've got no choice but to find her first. Thanks.
Hold up. I think you might be forgetting something.
I haven't. Found it. Let's get out of here. And then I'll give you what you need.
Taste that sweet Midgar smog.
This way.
grappling guns. You can practically fly with the souped-up motors on these babies. Sector 7 is on the other side of that wall. The guns will get you over and past it, along with any number of other obstacles. But they're one-way tickets. So once you start up, there's no coming back. You should probably get your affairs in order, just in case.
Thank you.
Didn't tell you before, but we're looking for someone too.
That right? Hope you find him.
You too.
Let's go.
Oh, what brings you here?
Gifts from an angel.
They're to be used to help the people of Sector 7 rebuild.
The angel of the slums? You didn't meet her, did you? Tell me, what was she like?
Never met her. Just her go-between.
A shame. Oh, bless her sweet soul. I don't know what to say. I'll make sure the funds are put to good use. Here, why don't you take this? Something tells me you can use it more than me.
Things are looking a lot better around here. Yeah, you're right. We can do this. Come on, let's try it!
See that cloud over there? I saw it with my own eyes. A public security team walked right into Corneo command.
Don't tell anyone, but I heard Don Corneo.
You're kidding.
Ready to do this? Once we start up that wall, we won't be coming back here anytime soon. So, when this is over, you gonna go on being a merc?
That's the plan.
Reckon it suits you.
Yeah, it does.
Used to think you were a little shit with a big attitude and a bigger inferiority complex. Quite possibly the worst person I have ever met. But that was before I figured you out. All this, it ain't you.
Deep down, you're a pretty nice guy. Didn't see it when we were kids, but...
Don't know about any of that. But kindness is no use on the battlefield. If anything, it's a liability.
Hey, no one's asking you to treat Shinra with kid gloves.
Aerith's up there waiting for us.
Then we better get a move on, huh?
Ready?